Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the e-commerce chatbot project using Python and AI. So you just have to write the word like hello and chatbot will reply good to see you again. Okay. So who are you? I'm a virtual assistant created to provide assistant. You can ask the question related to the e-commerce things and it will reply. So that chatbot will train on the large data set. Suggest me some best winter clothes. For best winter, prioritize the warm and insulating fabric like wool, fleece, and down like that. So, what payment method do you accept? Okay, we accept major credit card, debit card, and PayPal as payment method for online orders. How can I track my order? So, you can track your order by logging into your account and navigating to the order history. What is your return policy? Our return policy allows you to return product within 30 days of purchase for a full refund. Thank you. Glad I could help. So this is the complete project. This project developed using Python programming language. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new then subscribe channel and share with a friend. Thank you.